So this is the bitumen road construction. Before going to construct, site clearance has to be done, grading has to be done, that is upgrade to the required level and compact, subbase preparation, that is lay and compact the subbase material. So this is the 40 subgrade base preparation has been done, and bitumen layer construction will consist of tag post application, apply tag post to the prepared surface, bitumen mix production, produce the bitumen mix according to the specified recipe, laying the bitumen mix, lay the bitumen mix using the power and other suitable equipment. So this is the roller compacted machine in which we are applying for compaction support on the bitumen layer using rollers, and also for surface finishing to ensure the surface is smooth and even, and also for quality control to conduct the checks to ensure the road meets the required specifications. So the key considerations will be material quality, temperature control and compaction. So ensure the bitumen and aggregate materials meet the required specifications, and temperature control of the bitumen mix during production and weighing. Compaction, ensure proper compaction to achieve the required density and stability, and also to surface force construction, finishing and quality control measures. So this is how we can construct the bitumen road construction.